x plus a over 4 is equal to x minus a over 3. Find a in terms of x. So we have fractions on both sides, and I don't want that, so how do we get rid of that? Well, this is a proportion. One fraction is equal to another fraction. So what we could do is actually cross multiply. That's going to give us 3 times x plus a is equal to 4 times x minus a. And then from here, we just expand it and solve for x. So we distribute. 3 times x is 3x. 3 times a is 3a. Over here, we do the same thing. 4 times x is 4x. 4 times a is 4a. And then we want all of the x variables on one side and all of the other stuff on the other side. So I am going to subtract 3x on both sides, giving me 3a is equal to x minus 4a. And to get 4a to the other side, I'm going to do the opposite operation. So I add 4a on both sides, giving me 7a is equal to x. And that is going to be our answer.